My name's Hunkunkume. I come from Hadza tribe, indigenous people, hunter-gatherers for Tanzania. I'm work ranger for 35 years of Tanzania, over National Park of Tanzania. Yeah, now we work ranger for 35 years, and now we stay on local people. We talk and local people. We say that wildlife is good because wildlife is better to living forever, because generation and generation we come to see elephant, to see buffalo, to see wildlife, to see everything. Yeah. We see that wildlife is a very important for the world. Yeah, and then local people see that we work a good job, and then we come for home now, and then we give local people learning of wildlife is good.